this video we will look at how the Drawing Doctor deals with multi-part drawings. The Drawing Doctor automatically filters dimensions from the incoming drawings, but leaves the text intact. This allows you to examine the instructions that may be included in the drawing. Let's extract the 3mm parts. First, I'll set up the material. And I'll choose 6 off. Now I come and choose the part I'm interested in. Right click, extract as new part. Again, the system prompts for a name. You can overwrite that or use the suggested name. Now notice the new part has been created and it's picked up the material settings that you set initially. Let's do that again. I'll choose this part, right click, notice it still only needs 6 off, extract as a new part. So we now have our 2 parts extracted. Let's zoom in on this part here. Notice there's a difference, 12 off. So I changed my quantity setting to 12. And here's a little trick. I want to rename this part using that text. So I've selected the text with my mouse, Control C for copy, select the part, extract as a new part, and I can paste the text in to give the name. Now we have our 3 parts, correct materials and quantities. Sometimes the bounding rectangles, such as those surrounding the 6mm parts, can confuse the display of the part. You can simply select that bounding rectangle and delete it. And it may clarify problems with the parts. I'll now extract these 6mm parts using the technique we just used before. So now these parts are all 6mm, I'll change my settings to 6. The first part I'm looking at is 4 off. Again, I'll select my text, select my part, extract as a new part, give it the name. So the rocker has been added, 6mm thick, 4 off. Scroll down to the next couple. This plate's 12 off. Yes, 12 off, sorry. Select my text. Select my part. Extract. Last part in 6mm. 12 off. We're already set at 12. Select my text. Let's finish off the quote by extracting the last part. So we need 8mm, quantity of 3, a copy of the name, select the part, okay, so we have all of our parts set up. The original drawing is no longer required, so we can delete that from the list. And all of our drawings have a green tick, and we can send them to the quote. Parts return to the quote. Hit calculate. And the quote is done.